this is 1 pound of ground beef. There's a little bit of pink right there. I'm gonna cook that off. I'm trying Cholula today. Let's try that taco seasoning. Whole thing goes inside. Once you combine the ground beef and the taco seasoning, you're gonna go in with a can of diced chilies. Don't need to drain that. And a can of black beans. These we're gonna go ahead and drain and rinse. Mix all that together. I'm gonna add 2 small cans or 1 large can of, this is Mexicorn. It's a corn with the green and red peppers inside. And then to just kind of bump up the flavor of the beef, we're adding just some crumbled bacon. And mix that in as well. Adding a can of red enchilada sauce. This is an 8-ounce can. I usually use a larger can, but this is a smaller can for this recipe. Ooh, it's getting really thick and soupy. This is a 1 pound box of the medium-sized shells. We only need 1 cup of that. Just mix all of that in. Then we're adding another 1/2 cup. So in total it's 1.5 cups. 12 ounces of medium shells. You can use those tiny shells if you want as well. But these go in dry because we're going to be adding 2 cups of beef broth. I love this measuring cup. It's got like the cup measurement as well as ounces and milliliters. And that is 2 cups. Mix this all together. And then we're going to pop this in the oven. We're going to cover this with foil, and then we're going to pop this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, just to make sure all those shells are cooked through. Once that's out of the oven, you can kind of tell that all that liquid's gone. It's been absorbed by the shells, which are cooked through. And we're adding this 3 cheese Mexican cheese blend. Put that right on top. Spread it around, and then this is going to go right back into the oven, 350 degrees, for about 10 or 15 minutes, just to make that cheese melty. Wow, look at how that turned out. Cheese gets all golden brown and crusty. A little bit of sour cream goes right on top. You can serve this at the table just like this, or you can serve the toppings as a side if you want to. Spread this around. Then I've got some green onions that I'm just going to chop with a pair of scissors just on top. I find this is easier than trying to get a cutting board and a knife and all that. Just get a pair of good kitchen shears. Make sure there's some pasta, the cheese, and the taco seasonings in every bite. Oh yeah. That. Give this a try. See how that chipotle taco seasoning went. Got a little bit of that pasta as well. It's like the best chili mac you've ever had. It is so good. Totally need to make some. Serve it to your family this weekend.